Hello friends, I am Lakshmikant Kapgate, Assistant Professor, Department of English, S.S. Jaiswal College, Arjuni Margaon, District, Gondia. Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see Mendeley as a reference managing tool or the social academic network. So we will see in detail today. Dear friends, when any researcher, any student, any scientist have to write papers or research paper or thesis or journal articles, they often needs to refer the information, evidence and the research of other writers. So they are often required to give a in-text citation references in their research work. They are also required to prepare bibliographies. So for this, the solution for all these things is Mendeley. So Mendeley is a free software or the reference manager. As you go in Google, you can see the website, and when you click on this, you go to main page, where you will find the sign in, create account and download option. Suppose you are new, you go and sign. If you want to create for the first time, you go and create, and if you want to download for the desktop, you can download the desktop version from this button like this. Download Mendeley desktop for Windows. It is available in Mac operating system, in Linux operating system also. So here you can create the references, you can manage your references, you can create the research platform like ResearchGate, Academia Edu, ORCID or Publon, and you can also look in that for fundings. You can also explore for career opportunities. So we will see one by one. Now, why this Mendeley is very important? Because in this software, a researcher can organize his or her material, and he can collaborate or she can collaborate with others online, and they can discover the latest research in the respective field and find various career opportunities, as I have just said. This Mendeley is now the part of Elsewhere publication, which was owned by Elsewhere publication in 2006. So here in this Mendeley software, there are more than 7,000 citation styles are available. So this you can use for your research purpose. So as I go to download section and download the desktop for window, the file will be appear. The size of this file is just 54 MB. You can easily download and install in your computer. So when you install, this kind of desktop view will be available here. So click on that. So after creating that profile, this icon will be appear, where you need to log in like this and insert your password. So when you logged in, various notes will be appear, for example reference managers and citation plugins. So close it. You can go to next button, again next, again close, and now you will see the desktop version of Mendeley. 3 parts are available. In the first part, various folders are available. In the main section, this is called as the library, and this is the note section or the detail section in the right corner. Now you can add various PDF file, because only PDF file are supported in the software. So here you can see the add option. Here you can drop and down like this, or you can add from this button like this. So when you go to desktop, you just click on this button and add to your library. So it is automatically added in your library. Now my dear friends, suppose if you want to create folders, you can create like this. I have created 2 folders, Lakshmi and Lakshmi 2. So you can create group also, that can be public. You can invite other members, or you can keep it as a private. So there are various plans are available for, and the size or the file size are available for these groups. In this Mendeley software, only 2 GB space is available, and it will be automatically saved in cloud memory, so you can use it. So that is the only thing. If you want to buy much space, you can purchase the plan. Now let's see the various options. So the first option is literary or the literature search. For example, if I search India, so various works which are published here automatically available for you. For example, this work, and in the right corner you can see the details of this paper or the published work is available, the abstract, the title, year, pages, the digital object identifier number, ISBN, ISSN number. Now you can save it as a reference because this document is not in your library, so you can save it on this button by clicking on this button. Now you can see all this document which I have added here. For example, PDF file, some web pages are also available, so you can go to PDF section. For example, this file, or suppose I have chosen this file, so the this work is a report, and this report was published in the year, or this was written, and these are the page numbers, this is the abstract, and this is the, or these are the options which you can add. So let me do something again. Suppose you can see in the next option, recently added. So these options I have just added here. Again, you can find the recently read materials or in your library. Again, you can add the favorite. For example, in all document, suppose this document is very important for me, so I can click on this star and you can add to your favorite. So this file will be added to this favorite section like this. First you click and it is added to your favorite section. Then you can go for publication. For example, you can add your publication here. So here, for example, if you want to add various publication which you have already published, so you can add in this section. You can also create groups, so we will see later. Now come to the main page or the main file. Dear friends, when you click on this PDF file, the details are available and you can check it. You can also manually, when you double click on this PDF file, the original file will be appear. For example, here I don't know what kind of this journal, what is the name of the journal, so you can copy this by selecting on this button, and you can select this portion like this. Okay, this is the name of the journal which I can add here. So this is the details I can easily add in this detail section. And then you can also add the abstracts and other things also. Suppose if you want and if you when you read this page, you will find various important information. For example, this is the important paragraph if you think for your research paper, for your journal. So you can click on this select option, select rectangle, then you can select the color like this, and I will select this full paragraph. Now see, this paragraph is selected, so I can copy it or I can highlight it, highlight the text. So this is the highlighted text, and you can make various annotations or notes here by clicking on this note button and just put your cursor here and write. Suppose this paragraph is very useful for chapter 1, so write that note. This note will be added here. You can check that notes in the left corner. You can see this is the button which I have added just now. Now suppose if you want to add this Mendeley software in your Word file, so you go to tool option. I have already installed, so let me uninstall first, then you will understand. In this tool option you can see install MS Word plugin. Click on that, it will ask you some information. You click on OK and it is automatically added to your Word file. So let me open my Word file again. So see, this is my Word page. Let me choose the blank one and select some portion. In the reference head, you can see insert citation. This is the symbol of Mendeley and it is automatically added here. So here I can, let me do something again. For example, this paragraph is very important, so I can copy this text, I can paste it in my blank page. Okay, something is okay, setting is very important. I can do like this. Let me delete this because it will take time. Now see, this portion you can set by going home. Again you go to reference. Suppose, what is the title? Okay, subaltern speak. This is the title of or the okay, post-colonial feminist space. This is the title of my journal. Now I can go to this section, click and put your cursor here and go to insert section. Here you can see post-colonial. Okay, suppose this is the work which I have selected. You just click on this and go for OK. Now they see this automatically, this citation is available here. Formatting citation, it is added to my paragraph. So it is numbering also automatically updated. Suppose if I select the another one from my library, suppose this is the another text and I'm going to copy some portions from this. So again I will go to select section. So this is the paragraph which I have selected. Again copy and paste it in my Word file. So this is the page. Again go to insert citation. What was the title? Okay, let me search something. In my title was The Goldsmith, College Bucci Mecheta. Okay, I will search it by that name. So you just put here insert citation Bucci Mecheta. So this was the okay, this was the topic and I can click here. Again formatting, so numbering is all, again it is already updated. Now see, the first reference is I have added and the second reference is here. Now if you want to create bibliography here, so write work cited and under this you go to insert bibliography, click on that. Here the style is Vancouver style bibliography is automatically added to your page. Suppose I want to change this because there are various citation styles are asked by the various journals. So I will choose this MLA at tradition. So I will choose the automatically the citation style will be changed to MLA at tradition. Suppose I want to change for APA 7th edition, again you can change the citation style. So this is the best way which you can, where you can save your time, you can efforts, and easily with the help of this software you can create high quality journal without any mistakes. So again you go to your library. Here you can add, sorry, in the tool section you can see install web importer. For example, when I install this web importer in my Google Chrome browser, so the symbol will look like this here. And when I search any document, for example Buchi Imechita, okay, because I want PDF file, so I will search for PDF. So this is the PDF file. Let me open. It is available in ResearchGate. So this document I want to save in my library, so you just click on this icon, this Mendeley Web Importer. When you click, another a dialog box will appear where you have to do something and click and add this document in your library. So here maybe net is okay, it is available, the PDF format is available. You just click here and add to your library. This file will be visible in your Mendeley desktop version. So we will see it is available, or we can synchronize. It is automatically updated. So this is the file which I have added just now. So this is the best way, or this is again the best use of this software. In this section you can filter all these, filter this library with the help of this option. You can filter by author, this is by default. You can search various works with the help of this author's keyword, tags and publications. You can also see various things. For example, these green dots are it signifies that, or it refers to the, it marks as a read. For example, if I mark unread, you can see this shows mark as unread. Suppose I click, it means I have read that material. So this is how you can use this software. You can also add various folders which are already available here from this section. You can export any document from and take the print with all annotations. So let me click again. Suppose this is the work where I have added various notes and highlighted the text. So I will go to file section, export with annotations, and this file is available, export, and I can take the print of this document. Here this file is available. I think this is the work where I have created annotations. So let's see. Dear friends, this Mendeley is very useful for your research. So you can see in the last page you will see the annotations. So this is the notes I have added on page 4. So you can take the printouts very easily, and this is very easily. Suppose you are working with your colleagues, so name will be changed because you can share this document with others. For example, this is my name, so if your colleague is editing something or adding notes, the name will be of others, or the different name will be there. Again you go to Mendeley desktop. So then you can zoom it. These are the basic features. You can add, you can color it, various colors are available. You can highlight text, or you can select in rectangle size. You can select the full screen. So these are the features. So my dear friends, this is enough to use this Mendeley software. I hope you will use and you can create your high quality profile. Or but when you go and create any account on this Mendeley software, various things you should remember. Only 2 GB personal cloud storage is available for your use. If you want more, you can purchase. Various plans are available. Again, when you create any account, a free Mendeley account allows user to the vast majority of Mendeley's features, and you can explore. You can also do various things. You can promote responsible sharing. You can create, you can work together, you can share your documents with other people. In the next video we will see the online page or online version of this Mendeley software, where you can create your profile, as I have said, like Publon, Academia, ResearchGate, Orchid ID. So thank you.